everyone. In this video we are going to continue the same probability again. The part 1 video just see in our channel. So in that previous video we have discussed what is probability and how to write the total probability value, the definition of sample space, event, everything we have seen. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss the problems, the extra problems. Before going to this problem, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon. Then only you don't miss our classes. I really appreciate your support. Okay, we'll see this problem. In a lottery, there are 10 prizes and 25 blanks. A lottery is drawn at random. What is the probability of getting prize? This is our question. Okay, now see the solution. First of all, you have to find out probability means generally what is probability? P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. This N of A is called favorable number of events. This N of S is called total number of events. Whatever the question it may be, you have to find out what is the total number of event, N of S. So S is nothing but sample space. Sample space means you know the possible outcomes are called sample space. The possible outcomes are called sample space. Now first let us discuss what is the value of N of S. N of S is equal to, they given in a lottery there are 10 prizes. So the first what they given, there are 10 prizes plus 25 blanks. 25 blanks. Anyway, the total lottery will be 10 plus 25, 35. The total will be, N of S will be 35. Next, N of S, to find N of A. To find N of A. N of A is nothing but the favorable number of things. Favorable number na, in this question, what is our favorable number? Getting prize is called your favorable number. Okay, so the favorable number of events getting prize. So how many prizes are there in this question? 10 prizes. So the N of A is equal to 10. Okay, next we know the probability. P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. That is, N of A is 10 divided by N of S is 35, and using 5 tables, 2 times 7. So therefore P of A is equal to 2 by 7. So this is our answer. Next we'll see the another problem. What is the probability that card drawn from a pack of 52 cards will be a diamond or a king? Will be a diamond or a king. So whatever it may be, the probability N of A divided by N of S, that is our A. Okay. In this solution, first find out what is N of S. N of S is nothing but total number of events. N of S is nothing but total number. So totally how many cards will be there? 52. So the total number of events is 52. N of S is nothing but, N of A is nothing but, to find N of A, to find N of A is nothing but the favorable number of outcome. So the favorable number of outcome, see the favorable is diamond or a king. The favorable is diamond or a king. In a pack of 52 cards, how many diamond cards will be available? We know 13 diamond cards. So in this 13 diamond card, one king also included. Am I right? One diamond king will be having this 52 cards. And totally in that 52 cards, how many king will be available? Would be available. Totally we have 4 king available. So one which include in this diamond card and remaining will be 3. So the remaining 3 king will be there. Okay, this is our favorable number of outcome. So totally the favorable number of outcome is 16. You got the idea? Once again I will tell you what is N of A. N of A is nothing but favorable number of outcome. The favorable number of outcome they have given diamond or a king. In a pack of 52 cards, generally we know 13 diamond card will be available. In that 13 diamond card, compulsory one king will be there. So that's why the 13 is included. And total 52 cards, we have totally 4 king available. One which included in diamond. So remaining 3 king available. So totally 13 plus 3, 16. Now the probability. P of A. P of A formula we know N of A divided by N of S. So favorable number of outcome divided by total number of outcome. So 16 by 52. Use 4 table 4 times, 13 times. Therefore, our P of A will be 4 by 13. Our P of A will be 4 by 13. Have a look. Next problem. A bag contains 2 red, 3 green and 2 blue balls. 2 balls are drawn at random. What is the probability that none of the balls drawn at blue color? So this is our question. First let's see the solution. So we know probability means P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. N of A is nothing but favorable number of outcomes divided by N of S is nothing but total number of outcomes. First we have to identify the total number of outcomes is N of S. So before that what is our total ball? From the total ball. So we have given the total ball as 3 green plus 2 red plus 2 blue. So anyway the total will be 3 plus 2 plus 2 7. So anyway the total ball will be 7 balls. But they asked to 2 balls are drawn at random. So you have to select from the 7 ball we are going to select 2 balls. So selection means we have to apply combination. Okay, selection means we have to apply combination. From the 7 ball we are going to select 2 balls. And how to solve this? 1 into 2, 7 into 6. If you cancel this 3 times, 7 3s are 21. So our N of S is 21. Now we are going to find out to find N of A. To find N of A is nothing but favorable number of outcome. N of A is nothing but favorable number of outcome. The favorable number of outcome they given, none of them balls drawn at blue color. You should not select blue color ball. What is the question? You should not select blue color ball. That 2 ball would be green, one or blue or red color. You should not select blue color. So that is our question. So now we are going to see the total ball what they given. You mean 2 red color they given, 3 green color they given, 2 blue color they given. But you should not select 2 blue color because the question is given drawn, none of the ball drawn at blue color. We should not select this blue color. Then the total would be, the total will be 5. From the 5 ball, we are going to select 2 balls. So N of A is nothing but the favorable number of outcome. 5C2. How to calculate this? 1 into 2, 5 into 4. So if you cancel this, 5 2s are 10. So this is from combination. If you want, you can check our channel for permutation and combination. How to solve, how to find the value, how to calculate the combination value as well as how to calculate the permutation value. When you apply the selection mode, selection means automatically you have to go for the combination. So from the 5 ball you are going to select 2 balls. Okay, next P of A, probability. P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. That is favorable number of outcome divided by total number of outcome. The favorable number of outcome is 10. The favorable number of outcome is 10. The total number of outcome is 21. Therefore, P of A is equal to 10 by 21. If you want, you can use your calculator. Otherwise, you leave it. P of A is equal to 10 by 21. Whatever it may be, they will give you full mark. Okay, have a look. Problem. In a class, 30% of the students English offered, 20% of the student Hindi offered, and 10% of the student offered both the language English and the Hindi. If the student is selected at random, is the probability that he has offered English or Hindi. So before going to this problem, you have to know what is the formula for P of A union B. So P of A union B is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So this is very important formula. Okay, you just remember this. Now we'll see the solution. In this class, 30% of the students offered English. So offered English when the 30% of the students they selected English. So English is 30%. So probability of English, P of E is equal to 30 divided by 100. So because 30% we can rewrite 30 by 100. This 0 getting cancelled. We can rewrite again 3 by 10. Okay. So Hindi offered. How many students offered Hindi? 20% of the students. What is the probability of Hindi? Just I am taking P of A and P of B instead of I am taking whatever the given question. The first letter I am taking. P of English means I am taking P of E. Hindi means I am going to take H. So here the given percentage. So 20 by 100. You just cancel this 0. This is 2 by 10. So the next would be both. You mean English as well as Hindi. Both means you have to apply English intersection Hindi. So this will be 10 percentage. So 10 percentage means we can write 10 by 100 which is equal to 1 by 10. Okay. Next, instead of P of A union B, I am going to apply P of E union H because they are asking probability that he has offered English or Hindi. English or Hindi means you have to apply union. P of A union B. Here instead of A and B I have taken E and H. So P of E union H. E union H which is equal to P of E plus P of H minus P of E intersection H. Okay. Now the direct answer P of E, probability of English 3 by 100, probability of Hindi 2 by 10, this is 3 by 10, probability of English and Hindi 1 by 10. Just do the simplification, denominator same, that's why I am going to add this 3 plus 2, so minus 1 by 10. So again the denominator same, 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 1 by 10, this would be 4 by 10, cancelling this 2 times, this is 5 times, the probability of E union H will be 2 by 5. So this is our answer. Okay, have a look. So we have completed the probability. The next video I will come with interesting topic. Thank you and bye.
If you want this type of video, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you will get notification. Please share to your friends. Bye.